Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. All these buttons are for you, not for me. I can't subscribe to my own channel, so it's free. Go and do that. Subscribe, like and share. And then below the video we have a link which says swing like a pro. So you click on this link, then come to this page right here where you can check these recent setup videos. I make videos when I take trades. Okay, so you can check out these recent setups. And you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then you can book consultation if you want to speak to me one-to-one directly. And this Telegram is absolutely free. So go and join free Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. So we made a new low. So this is a pullback, I guess. Okay, so new low is created, as you can see. This is a pullback, and coming back to Delhi, we have a hammer. So the price could not sustain below here on Friday, as you can see, and we have formed some kind of stupid candle. But this means that buyers came, the buyers came in and they pushed the price up on Friday as well. So we have broken this BOS already. This BOS is broken. This one is broken. So this is more likely a short-term trend. So at least until the EMA, I think 2 weeks ago, okay? 2 weeks ago, we were here somewhere, maybe here somewhere on this candle. So 2-3 weeks ago, I told you that we will go and touch the EMA. So we are about to touch the EMA. So remember, guys, when I tell you something, that's going to happen. It might not happen in 24 hours. I don't fucking trade for 24 hours. I'm a swing trader. I can hold my trades for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks if needed. So if I tell you here, if I tell you on these candles, price is going to go touch the EMA, then that will happen. But that could take 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. I don't know. You see it? So if I tell you here that price will touch the EMA, but then look what happened. It came down massively, gave you panic heart attack, and now it's going for the EMA again. So when I tell you something, it's going to happen. It is going to happen. But it's your mental toughness that can you hold through that period? Can you survive that panic and stress or not? That's not my problem. So this low was not broken. So you see, this was the last low. This is your support, you could say here. And it has been touched multiple times. The last time it was touched here, then bounce off. Coming back to 4 hour, we are already above the EMI. So I think I'm not seeing any dump right now. So the EMA is, if you want free money, take long until the EMA, that's free money. It can go even beyond that, but EMA is the first obstacle. So if you want free fucking money, right now price is 15.30 and the EMA is at 15.60, you can easily get 25 to 30 pips free fucking money. If you have massive account, use a massive lot size, it's fucking free money. Let's say if you use a lot size of, let's say 5.0, 10.0, 20.0. If you use massive lot size and you just take 20 pips, you will make maybe $10,000 in just 20 pips. It's fucking free money. I just fucking gave you free money. Okay. Anyway, so in anytime soon, I don't see, when I say anytime soon, I'm talking about next 2 days. I don't see price coming down in next maybe 2 days. It might come down in next 2 days, but I don't know. Okay. For now, this Friday candle tells us that buyers are in control. Anyways, too much free information in this video. If you want to enter and exit with me exactly, then check out these trades first. Join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.